welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to do a quick comparison between Trello and ClickUp. Which one is better? So let's talk about ease of use. For ease of use, Trello is very simple. It is clean and built around basically like Kanban boards, and it's perfect for beginners. It is very, very good for beginners or even small teams. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a little bit more complex than Trello. Of course, it offers lists, Gantt, calendar, docs, and more features, but steeper learning curve. So it's a little bit more complex than Trello. For the features, ClickUp wins because it has like the docs, wikis, it has the goals and time tracking, it has some custom dashboard, and it has also like an AI assistant in 2025. But Trello is just more focused on card, checklists, and automations via Butler. For the pricing, Trello has a generous free plan. Like paid tier starts around also $5. Or as an example, like ClickUp, it has like a solid free plan as well. But the best tools basically unlocks from $7 to $12 a month. So Trello, Trello as an example, is basically best for you if you want simplicity. If you want simplicity, and if you work solo or in a small team, or if you love, as an example, this drag and drop between boards. This is very good for you if you want that. Trello is good for you. But ClickUp, it's better if you want to manage complex projects, you need reporting, time tracking, or docs, and you want just an all-in workspace. So as a final verdict, ClickUp for power and customization, and Trello for beginners, simplicity, and speed. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.